A short story that we just created earlier.
Yes, a few minutes ago.
After
Ante namin.
Good morning, Mr. Bedo. It's nice to see you.
Sit down. Introduction for today is about morning.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Richard.
Ma'am, can we go to the mini arts because we will have a practice for the incoming unang pakikimamat.
That's so yesterday.
You may go, but you should look up with
Best.
your lessons.
No, we must go because our advisor in FSG will scold at also our president.
Please, ma'am, would you allow us?
Okay.
You're alone.
At the mini arts theater.
4, 3. When I say jump, you say how high. I never see nobody. It's so high, like a bird, like a plane. This body got me insane. This body got me insane. So jump, jump.
That's all.